We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Check your TV's HDMI ports and see if ARC is printed on any of these connectors. Note, most TVs only have one HDMI ARC port. If you don't see the letters ARC on the HDMI ports, most likely your TV does not support ARC functionality.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.